Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'd like to share with you a very important topic today. This knowledge is worth more than anything for any Muslim, for new Muslim or any Muslim, for the understanding of right Islam. What is right Islam is what I mean to say right Islam. Right Islam is after the Shahada, understanding of Shahada. And Shahada understanding is Wahdahu la Sharik. There's no partner of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala जल्ले जलालहू. जो मालिक और मुल्क है वो वहदहू ला शरीक है, वो अकेला है. इसी चीज़ का तुम ओत लेते हैं. जब तो मुसलमान हैं, हम लाख कुरान पढ़ लें, लाख नमाजें पढ़ते रहें, लाख हज कर लें, अगर हमारे पास वहदहू ला शरीक नहीं है तो हम जन्नत से बहुत दूर, हमें खुशबू भी नहीं आएगी मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. इसमें ये फोकस करना इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जो बात मैं करने जा रहा हूँ. There is a fitna, the trial about Qadianism. What is Qadianism is? You can see, and I want you to ponder what I'm saying. Their belief is what is teaching by their Messiah. Messiah claim is not a Messiah anyway. Astaghfirullah. Ghulam Ahmad Qadian. His belief is Nauzubillah, Astaghfirullah. His claim in his books, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Nauzubillah, did intercourse with him. That's how this khabis come out. नाउज़ुबिल्लाह. दिस इज देयर बिलीव. अगर कोई कादियानी सुन रहा है ना, वो भी कलमा पढ़ के मुसलमान हो जाए, ये अगर उसके पास जरा सी भी गैरत है इस्लाम के लिए. एंड ही क्लेम्स, हिज क्लेम इज एज Quran says Isa al-Islam is coming, and he claimed himself, I was the one. Then his books is teaching to his people that there was two Muhammad. पहले Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, दूसरा ये this khabis is claiming he was the second Muhammad. And he claims in his books Qadian is Makkah and Medina is Rabwa in Pakistan. Now you can think about it. Aqidah is so important for everyone. If Aqidah is not right, the person will go to the hell, regardless how many Hajj, Umrah, whatever. When they make the Adhan, when it's come to the Ashhadu Anna Muhammad Rasulullah, so they claim that, they say that, but they think about the Ghulam Ahmad. Now we can see because of no knowledge, nobody want to think about these things because it was promoted in Pakistan and India, even before partition. Mind your own business. How many ulama came, big ulama, how many books they wrote. Why they didn't state the Aqidah? Aqidah is everything. Nothing is more than Aqidah. This person, he guides the people. Whenever Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam name come in the Quran or anywhere, make sure you think Ghulam Ahmad Qadian. When you say sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you think about the Ghulam Ahmad Qadian. So it's very important for us to follow the right religion. Keep in touch, inshallah, and I will give more details in my next program. Jazakallah khair.
ज़िंदगी में हर परेशानी से बचने के लिए कुरान को अपनी लैंग्वेज में पढ़ें और रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तालीमात को अपनी ज़िंदगी में लाएं, क्योंकि हर परेशानी का हल कुरान और रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तालीमात हैं.